Welcome to How To with Janie. Today we're making caramelised onions. So I've got a list here of the ingredients that you'll need. You can also use red onions. Today I'm using white onions or yellow onions as they're sometimes known. So we're just going to start by chopping up the last of the onions. So this is the easiest way to chop. You just want to take the end off and the top off, and then slice it straight down the middle. And then you just want to take the brown layer off and probably just one layer of the white. And this is quite a good way just to chop them fast so they don't affect your eyes. So you just want to slice down, and then the end piece you just turn over and you slice that down, and you want to try and tuck your fingers in just to keep them away from the knife. And if you do it this way, as I say, it should be quite good and quite quick as well. So you just pop these into a bowl, and then we're going to head over to the cooker and we're going to start cooking them. So I've got a large saute pan and I'm just going to add some olive oil. I've got this on a medium-high heat. So around about 2 tablespoons of olive oil goes in. And about a tablespoon of butter, and this gives the onions a lovely taste and helps to caramelise them. You just want to put all your onions in. And then I'm just going to add some black pepper and also some salt. So you want about 1/4 of a teaspoon or just a large pinch of both. And then just give them a quick stir round. And then you just want to pop the lid on and just let them simmer just for a few moments till they start to cook. So you don't want to brown your onions, they've just got a gentle brownness, but you don't want to cook them down too much. And you just give them a quick stir round. Now I'm going to add in some brown sugar. So this is 2 tablespoons of soft brown sugar. Now it depends on how strong your onions are as to how much sugar that you do add. You can add a little more or you can add a little less. And now we're adding some balsamic vinegar, and this is what gives it a lovely, lovely taste. Nice rich flavour. So you want to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Again, it depends on how strong you want the vinegar taste to be. And then you just want to pop the lid on and let them simmer down. Now you're going to simmer them for about 5 minutes or so. It depends how long it takes to cook. But this is the kind of consistency that you want. You want them to go lovely and dark and rich, and you want all the juice to have evaporated. So this recipe is a great recipe for making the caramelised onions. They can store in the fridge for a few days, and as I say, this recipe will serve about 4 people as an accompaniment to a main dish. And you can see that they're really nice, they're quite sticky, and I've used them on this blue cheese burger and it tasted fantastic. So I've also got this recipe if you want to have a look at that. So thanks again for watching today, and I really hope that you can give us a thumbs up and like on this video, as well as subscribing to get notifications of new videos. And you can also become a Patreon if you want to support us in our work, and there's information on how to do that below. So thanks again, bye!